Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about SQL data definitions and data types. Let me introduce myself. My name is A. Arisella from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from CSE AI branch Audi section. Introduction to SQL data and some definition. SQL is also known as like structured query language. The definition language, like data definition language, DDL, is a subset of SQL used to define and manage all database structures. It includes commands that create, alter, and drop database objects like table, index, schema. Like understanding DD is essential for effective database management and organization. Some key DDL commands like primary DDL commands include key like alter, create and drop. Create will be using for creating database and alter if some data or some database are like raw. We will be using alter keywords to recreate the created table. Drop, we will be dropping or deleting some tables or some values from the table. Create is used to make new tables or database, while alter modify existing search. As I said, drop is employed to remove database object permanently from the database. Like if, for example, let's take me the example. Create, we will be creating a table called employee with the keyword create. Next, for employee, we will be giving employee name, employee salary, employee ID, employee address, employee contact number. But instead of contact number, I would like to change it into phone number. So I will be using alter to modify the contact number into phone number. And for drop, if in employee names some name like ID numbers like 002 is not doing properly work, so we want to remove his name, so we will be using drop keyword to remove that name or permanently from the database. Next, for creating data in tables in SQL, the create table command establishes a new table in database. Syntax for creating tables includes specifying columns and names and data types for each column. Properly identifying a table structure is a crucial for data integrity querying. Understanding data types. Data types defines a kind of data that can be stored in column of table. Common SQL data types includes integer, or we can write it as int, varchar, date, boolean. Boolean is nothing but zeros or one, like 0 will be defining as false and 1 will be defining as true. Choosing the approximate data type optimizes storage and enhances performance. Numeric types data. Numeric data types are used to store numbers and include int, small int, float, and decimal. The difference between int, float, decimals will be having certain limits like bytes, like storage. Float has certain storage, small int has some storage, int has some storage of bytes. Int is commonly used for whole number, while decimals allows for fixed point precision, like decimals like 3.145 value is a decimal value, right? and whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Selecting the numeric type like right numeric type can prevent overflow errors and improve calculation accuracy. By selecting a correct or numeric data type, there will be the accuracy calculation and there will be no overflow errors. Then we are going to see about character data types. Character data types are stored text data that includes character like ABCD is a character, but statements like even character itself a character, their char text are included in character data types. Char is fixed length, while varchar allows a variable length character storage. Like character is a fixed length, like it is already defined by the programmer that character has particular bytes. We cannot enter further. Meanwhile, in varchar we can enter as much value, like we can give varchar 20 and we can give n numbers of value. If you want till 40 we can give, or till 255 we can, or till 300,000 we can be giving. But meanwhile in character we cannot be, because the length is already fixed by the programmers. Text data types are used to store large blocks of text such as description or article. Even after finishing this videos, I will be like typing some description or comments over this video, so that can be called as text. Then we are headed towards date and type data types. Date and time data types are allows for storage of date and time in various formats. As from this topic, we can be identified that we are going from various topics like date and time that will be stored in various forms. Common types includes date, time, timestamps, each with specific use case. Proper dates and time handling is useful for application that rely on chronological data. Special data types in SQL also support special data types like BLOB for large binary object and JSON for semi-structured data. BLOB types are used for storing images, video, and other multimedia files. As you can see, I'm making this video which will be stored in BLOB because this video is inside this video format, so we will be storing in BLB. JSNO data types provide the flexible way to store and query structured data in relation database. Constraint in SQL. Special data constraint enforce rules on the data in table, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Common constraints include primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, and check. Using constraint efficiency, we can prevent data ammonia and maintain database integrity. Primary key, if you are creating some table, employee, the primary key will be employee ID, because the employee IDs won't be repeated. Like if my ID is 1, the another person's ID must be 2, 3, 4. It cannot be 1, because if the ID is repeated, it will be giving further problems. So that's why we will be using primary key. Hope you learned something about DBMS in this presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and like this video. Thank you.